Ton of Clay here, and I got another product for you all. It's the Hoshi Automotive LED headlight conversion kit. I will show you in this video basically how to install them and what they look like and everything like that and I'll be installing them on my 2015 Honda Civic SI. Just comes with your lifetime warranty paper as well. You get a code to enter in for your warranty. You also get a booklet on telling you how to install it, but basically it's simple info how to disconnect and reconnect the old and hook up the new. The bulbs come in a nice protected package. They actually look really like they're really good build quality. You got a 9,000 RPM fan to keep them cool. And there's actually a little rubber O-ring here that it lets you install the headlight without the rubber boot, so there's no air leaking in and fogging up your headlights. But if you follow me outside, I'll show you how to install. Alright, so today I will show you how to install the high and low beams of these Hoshi Automotive headlight conversion kit. You're going to need a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver, and of course the conversion kit. For the high beams, you should be able to access everything through just the front of the battery here. You can see down in here. There's the headlight there. Just reach in, unplug it. That actually gives you easy access to the cable itself, so you can plug it into the back of these cables here. On both sides, you rotate it counterclockwise to remove the headlight bulb. For the high beam, it requires the 905 on this car, and I believe the low beams requires 906. Notice how these are identical on the lock-in brackets. Now I'm actually going to plug these in before I install them into the lamp, just so they are plugged in and I don't have to hunt for wires later. Alright, so I got the LED installed, but can you see how the cable is facing down? That's how you have to install it into the mounting fixture. Now with the low beams, this one's a little bit more difficult, but shouldn't be too difficult. You got these little bushings here that you press in on the center, and they pop out. Same thing for this one. And down here in the bottom. And that should allow it just to come right out without a problem. Yep, there you go. Slides on out, push it to the side. And then we have the ones where you need the flathead. You pry underneath. Same thing for the other one. It's going to actually be quite a trick here. Once you get it up a little bit, it should come out. Alright, so those are out. I see how you got this little intake here. Now you have access to the high beam, or low beam actually, which is on the back side of here. So I've decided I'm going to be removing the battery because I can't seem to get my hand inside of this hole. So you're going to need a 10mm socket and a ratchet to fit over these batteries to disconnect. Okay, so since I disconnected the part of the battery here, I'm able to move the battery around, and I was able to squeeze in underneath here and disconnect the bulb from there. And these should match the 906, which they do. So, same technique with the other one. Hook up the cable first, then install the bulb. Alright, so I got it installed. I don't know how well you can see this, but the cable is going to be, you're going to have it pointing straight down when it goes into place, and then you spin it clockwise to lock in. Then we just go reverse procedure with reinstalling everything. These little rubber bumpers here. Of course I break it. Same thing on the other side. Should lock in. And the intake mounting. Don't you run away from me. Okay, so in order to pop these back in, you have to push these pins out above. Same thing on this side. And then they should slide into place without much of an issue. And you push them back in. Same thing here. In. Push the pin in. Not too far though. Same thing with the other one. See how they work here yet? Alright, for the passenger side, for the low beam, what you want to do is get your flathead and slide it under your washer fluid. Here you got this little plastic piece. You pop that up. Should eventually come up. Just don't pry too hard at it, it may break. That comes right out. Set that off to the side. And you got this washer fluid reservoir. You just disconnect it from down below, pull it straight up. Just make sure it's not overfilled, or it will drain out the bottom because it just plugs into a little gasket. And that will give you access to the low beam side. Once again, you want to confirm that you have the same type of bulb connectors, and you proceed to installing it just like the driver's side. You want to make sure you reinstall the washer fluid. Make sure that hole is aligned with the hole there, and reattach this pin. And then the high beams are really easy to get to. I've already disconnected it, but they're just right here. Ease of access, no problems getting to that one. Once you reconnect everything, like the battery terminal, the intake, and the washer fluid, and have all the bulbs attached, close the hood. Make sure everything works. The truth. Hard to see, but they're working. Switch it to the bright. And there you go.